In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon affiliate program in YouTube to earn commissions from Amazon. So for that you need to join the Amazon associate program, and for that you need to go on to Amazon and register for the associate program. Let me show you how you can do that. Go to Amazon associate, and now you can join for free. You click here and you can either sign in if you have an if you have an Amazon account, or you can create a new Amazon account from the start. Either way, it takes nearly 5 to 10 minutes to create an associate account, and after that, once you get registered, you will see an extra bar at the top of the site named Site Stripe to get your affiliate links. So you have to promote these links on YouTube, and I'll show you how you can do it without even creating your videos, without even recording videos or even doing any stuff on content creation. All you have to do is upload other people's videos. So for that you need to find copyright free YouTube videos. Let's hop on to YouTube and see how you can do it effectively. So let's type something like yoga mat. Many people, and you can. Many people definitely want to get reviews about a yoga mat, which before buying. So they really want to get an expert advice before buying something from YouTube. So if you upload any of these videos, you might get a copyright strike. But if you click on filter and go to Creative Commons, you will now find videos which you can re-upload on your channel without getting any copyright strike. So suppose if you like this video, it's only 30-second long, so I won't recommend that. Like 4 minutes, this one is good. You can copy the link address, go to save from net, and now you can start downloading the video. Click on download and it will start downloading. Sorry guys, my net is a bit slow, but it should start. Let me click once again. Yeah, now it started. It's nearly 37 MB. So until it gets downloaded, let's find how you can find good videos. And so in your channel you should upload 5 to 7 videos a day, because you don't have to create any of them. So you can upload these 5 videos on one day, the next 5 on the other day, and this way the YouTube will recognize that you are an active uploader, you are an active content creator, and that will promote your account, that will promote your channel more. And this way you can easily, then you will start getting more and more views once you start getting subscribers, likes, and when you upload more and more videos. So now you found the video and started downloading it here. Let's hop on to Amazon and find that product to get the affiliate link that you will add in the description. Let's go to Amazon and write the yoga mat. Now you will see a bunch of yoga mats, and which you can use to which you can promote on your YouTube video to earn commissions. I highly recommend that you choose like middle priced items, not just too low like $5, $7 items, and not too high like these $70, $100 items. I highly recommend this kind of like 20 to 40, $50, and this sells really well, and you will earn good commissions. You will be able to get good commissions from that. So click here, and now you can get the affiliate link from by clicking on the text button on the site stripe bar. So you click here Mm, yeah. This is your affiliate link now. You can copy it. You can even get the full link, but I recommend the short link because it will be beneficial as it won't be considered as spammy. So you copy it, and when you go to upload the video, click on upload, upload video. Hmm. Now you can select your video, which I have just downloaded. Hmm. I'm unable to find it. Okay, let's choose any of my videos. Yeah, Galaxy Watch. Okay, this one. This is not the exact video which I just downloaded, but to keep the video short, I'm just uploading this one. And you can add a good title here, like Galaxy Watches. You can go on YouTube and find relevant titles related to that, which will help you rank higher. And in the description, you can add the Galaxy Watch link here. This way, when people watch your video, and every people, I guess, they always look at the description. Most people do. So you can add your affiliate link, and when they click on this video, on this link, they will be redirected to Amazon, and then you can, and if they bought something, if they bought this product or any other Amazon product, you will earn a commission. So if you get like 1,000 views to 10,000 views a day, so you can easily have like 50 to 100 sales per day. And if you even get like $5 per sale, $5 commission per sale, you can easily earn like $500 per day. But for that, you need to upload consistently on YouTube, like 5 videos, 7 videos. As you don't have to create content, you can just upload as much as you can, and use and have a good title, a good description with your links, and don't just stick to one link. Add 2 3 links so that people might click any of that, and the chances of getting commissions get higher. So I highly recommend this process. And if you want a more detailed, a blueprint on how to start an online business, please check the link in the description below. It will redirect it to the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge by Liam James K. And I highly recommend this course. It's a free course for you. You can click on the Begin the Challenge, or you can join his Facebook group for free, where many people like you are creating $1 million successively, and you can learn from those people. So you can join the Facebook group, and you can start the challenge, and you will be redirected to this page where everything, how to start the how to start an online business, is being explained in 3 simple steps with some bonus materials for you. So you can go and watch these videos, and these videos are not just 2 or 5 minutes videos. These are long videos, so there are definitely more and more values in these videos. So I highly recommend you visit the channel in the description below. And even if you just watch some of the videos, I highly think you will definitely learn something. So thank you guys, that's all for today.